Okay, video 2 will be about combining the genotypes of each parent in our Punnett squares when doing a Punnett square cross. Okay, now we're going to combine the two parents from the first video in our Punnett square. Over on the left-hand side, we have our pure brown-eyed parent with two capital B's, one here and one here. And we have our green-eyed parent with two recessive traits, one here and one here. Each one of these four boxes is each going to have one allele from each parent. And I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. First, let's start with our pure brown-eyed parent. They have two B's. So one of them will come across, and we'll write that B in here, and one over here. And the other B is going to come across this way. We'll write one of the B's in here, and the other B here. Now in our Punnett squares, we're always going to put the dominant trait first, even when there's a recessive trait that is to follow. Now we're going to move on to the parent with green eyes. We'll take this first B, it's going to come down here, match up with that dominant trait, and the second B down here and match up with this dominant trait. Now we'll move on to the second trait for green eyes. This B will come down and match with this dominant B, and then this B will come down and match with this dominant B. Now we've successfully completed our Punnett square.